What's up? This side of my face is dark. This side of my face is less dark. We're just gonna deal with it. I've had enough issues setting this up, so whatever. I decided I was gonna do a makeup video. This will be like my 5th video being recorded, but I'm just gonna do it and maybe actually see if I upload it. I'm gonna try to like just do a voiceover for it, so other than this intro. Yeah, I thought, you know what, I wanna go for like a bronzed out, kind of like brown, smoky sort of vibe, you know, because it's like summer-ish almost, getting there, and like that's the thing to do. At the end, I'm gonna do like a couple like life updates if you care, so you can watch those if you care. If not, then whatever, just watch the video until you're done watching it. So here goes nothing. Forgot to wet my beauty blender. Dang it. Alright, so once you have a wet beauty blender, take your glasses off if you like me and you have glasses. Put on a foundation that's like a shade too dark. Not on purpose, it just happens to be that way because I'm really pale. But it works for a bronze goddess look, in my opinion. So yeah, just dab that all over your face, onto your neck. Don't forget your neck, as they always say. Even though on a daily basis, I usually forget my neck. I just remembered because I was doing a video. Wow, I spent a long time doing this step. Make sure it's good enough. Is it good enough? I don't know. Here we go with the concealer. This is the Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer. It is so much better now that I am using a beauty blender with it. So I definitely recommend doing that. Then I use this Bare Minerals original, I think it's like kind of light or something like that. All over where I don't want things to crease and where I get really shiny. Next, I'm taking the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Taking that color that is basically the same color. Oh, I just remembered that I forgot to put on like a primer sort of thing. So this is the Painter Pot from MAC in Soft Ochre. I just put that all over my eyes. And then I take that one color that's like the color of skin, or my skin at least, and put that all the way up into the crease. Basically just helps everything blend out. I take a smaller brush. This is the brush that came with the palette. And I use the, I think it's Dawn, and I zoom in. And I put that in my crease, just kind of blending it out, but not like too high, you know, like a little before your brow bone. I'm sorry if you can hear all these sounds. People are moving right now, and these kids that live in my apartment are like so freaking annoying. But they're gonna be gone soon, so it's fine. Then take this dark color Fudge, and you're gonna pack that onto your eyelid and blend it out. Basically, like the most, oh my god, I got so much fallout on my face. The most like lazy smoky eye ever is what we're going for here. So yeah, just spend a million years blending this. This shadow palette is not the best for blending. And it also has crazy fallout, as you saw. But if you work with it and you're really patient, you can get like alright results, in my opinion. So yeah, then do your other eye, obviously, because you want your eyes to match. Because why wouldn't they match? Getting mad. Oh yeah, because it wouldn't blend. So then I just took a fluffy blending brush and made it blend. It has nothing on it. It just helped it all kind of transition together. Then I take this shiny color, Adorn. It's like a bronze coppery color. And I just put that on, like, right on my eyelid. Because it's bronze. It goes with the bronze look that we're doing. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I guess I took my pinky. I used my pinky and I put it kind of under. Then, just do, like, a classic cat eye sort of look. I'm kind of, like, timid with my eyeliner, so I don't go that big. But yeah, just simple cat eye. I like draw kind of a straight line out from my eyelid, and then I connect it up at the wing. If I like flick it up, then it looks kind of crazy. Okay, then curl your eyelashes. My eyelash curler sucks super bad, and sometimes I can like cut my eyelashes off if I'm not careful. So that's why that looks like a struggle. Then take some Double Decker Lashes mascara. I think it's from Butter London. Put that on your eyelashes. Nice. So beautiful. I do my bottom lashes too. These are the Ardell Demis, I'm pretty sure. Put some eyelash glue on. Dance. with your eyelash glue. Oh my god, eyelashes are the worst. Just the struggle. The struggle is real. I can't do them. I don't think I ever get this one to lay down right. Yeah, this one was a struggle, but not as bad. So I mostly get it. Then I do my eyebrows. I start by brushing them down, and then I draw a straight line above them. And then do the tail at the end. And then brush them back up, and then fill in at the bottom. I'm not very precise with my brows. I kind of like them to look a little natural. So they look kind of natural here, but also obviously pretty bushy. They're pretty bushy. It's just how I was born. I'm glad that it's a trend now to have thicker eyebrows. And then I take this pretty vulgar blush that I got in like a BoxyCharm box. And I just use a Beauty Blender to put that on, kind of lightly, obviously. Well, and then I take like the flatter edge and I do a highlighter with that. I think this is like a Becca highlighter in Opal, I want to say. It's like a little sample. Do that, you know, where you highlight. And then I do the highlight in my inner corners. Wow, I roll my eyes a lot, guys.
It's okay. I hear him. I hear him. No bark. Yeah, I hear him. They're being loud. Are they stomping? They're so annoying. I know. I hear them. No worries.
Alright, and then I take the bronzer after you get done comforting your dog. Take some Wet n Wild bronzer in the lightest shade that they have, because if you're pale with me, you need it. And put that everywhere the sun might hit your face. And then down on your neck, so your neck is like a little darker. This is me wiping my lip balm off, and then putting on a NYX Liquid Suede. And I'll put the color on the screen because I don't remember. Just, you know, put that all over your lips. The way that you apply lipstick. So beautiful. Okay, and then take a metallic one that's also bronze, because you know we're doing a bronze lip. Put that just like in the inside of your lip, so it pops. There you go, checking yourself out, make sure you look good, put your glasses back on. Turn your music off. Turn your music off, there you go. There we go.
Alright, here it is. The finished, ooh, sorry, I'm kicking the camera. The finished bronze goddess look. It actually didn't take all that long, I don't think. Man, I have a cough like none other lately. Yeah, so here it is. What do you think? I know I've got some face skin issues going on, but you just have to deal with it. And I know I can't get some freaking eyelash to go down, but you just have to deal with it, because it is what it is. So, whatever. That was it. If you don't want to hear my life updates, you can stop watching. Thanks for checking out the makeup tutorial-ish, even though I suck at makeup. Life updates. I haven't been posting in forever. I film like all the time, it feels like, but then I'm like finding reasons not to upload it, and I don't know why. So things that have happened recently that are pretty exciting. I got a tattoo. I'm in the process of getting it. It's yet to be finished. It's a floral bit done by Lauren Miller, Golden and True, in Oklahoma City. She is super great. So that's not done yet. I cut my hair and dyed it blonde, and I love it. I've had the worst allergies of my entire life, and I love it. Just kidding, I don't love it. I have a dog now. He is super cute. He's a husky pit bull mix. I think he knows I'm talking about him. He's asleep on my couch right now, right over there. He's so great. He is a rescue dog, so we've had a few behavioral issues with him that we're about to go see a trainer for and get those kind of sorted out. Mostly he just barks at people. But yeah, he's super great. I'll put in a clip that I took of him like a week after we got him.
Oh, thank you. Sweet boy.
He's like, what? Did you give Daddy a kiss?
Mm-hmm.
Did you give Daddy a kiss?
Mm-hmm.
Bye. I love him so much. You can see pictures of him a lot on Instagram at Animarls, and he is just the light of my freaking life. Like, I love him. I cannot take it. Like, I can't explain. So I mostly haven't been posting because I've been just like adjusting to having a new dog. We're trying to like get our lives together, and so that just, it is what it is. And sometimes you just can't do all the hobbies that you want to do, even though I want to do all the hobbies I want to do. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this video. If you want to see me do more makeup looks, like I said, I filmed them before. Just, I can't find a format to do them that I have enjoyed so far, and like I haven't wanted to edit them. I don't like the way that I look like while I do the makeup, but I think I'm just gonna get over it and just do it anyway. Yeah, so sorry that I sound like so sick and stuff, but it's whatever. But this was my like glowy, like summertime sort of look, summer, springtime. I know that the lip is a little dark for summer, but it's got metallic in it. That's kind of like, it's bronze, whatever. Yeah, so I will, not sure when I'll post again, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to check out my social media social media accounts, mostly Twitter and Instagram, links below, and see ya in the future. Bye!